This is my bike check. Start off from the top down and over. Colt, Dehart, grips. Colt Barnes, Barnes. Eastern, 80s, early 80s, 1-year bars, 8.25 rise. Stolen Convict Topload, very nice stem, love it. Mission integrated headset. Kink Volte works. Mission Echo, I'm probably saying it wrong. Hub unsealed, laced to an Alienation plain black rim. Shadow little ones, pegs are pegs, and if it's not metal, it's not real. Kink launch frame, 20.25 top tube length. Mission transit cranks. Some pedals from my old bike, better than my, well, it's just, they're better than the blue ones and all that crap, and whatever. Kink colorway sprocket, I just put that on because I had it, so why not. KMC chain. Mission function hub, unsealed, laced to an Alienation plain black rim. The tires are Kenda contact, 20 times 2.25, 20 times 1.95. Eastern pop and lock hub guard, and just another shadow little ones. And I'll let you hear what the hub sound. It's like really quiet. And yeah. Oh, and I would really suggest buying these grips if you are brakeless, because they don't give you blisters. Really soft, but I just got a hole in it because like there was just like one little tear from like my fingernails, and then it just got bigger. So it's really nice. I did ride brakes till the freaking Odyssey liner thing snapped. Gonna try to fix that maybe if I feel like it. And yeah, that's my bike. Peace.